If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you scan a document in Acrobat or add an image containing text to a blank PDF page, you can choose to apply optical character recognition or OCR to the PDF or PDF page. OCR converts a pixel-based image of text into machine-encoded text. This lets you create smart documents, which are searchable and editable, from static images containing text. OCR is enabled in Acrobat by default. Acrobat also only applies OCR to PDF pages that do not contain existing editable text. However, Acrobat automatically applies OCR by default in many situations. For example, if you create a new PDF from an image containing text, the image is immediately converted to PDF and appears as a new page in the PDF on screen. However, the image's text is not yet editable because OCR is not applied to the page during its initial conversion. If you then attempt to edit the PDF by clicking the Edit link in the top bar, Acrobat then applies OCR to make the text in the image editable. A pop-up message then appears on screen to tell you that text has been recognized in the PDF. To access Acrobat's OCR settings, first open a PDF that needs OCR and click the Edit button in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the window. Next, click the Edit Settings cog icon button in the upper right corner of the Edit panel. To toggle OCR on or off, check or uncheck the Recognize Scanned Text checkbox. Acrobat will not apply OCR automatically if the Recognize Scanned Text checkbox is unchecked. To view additional OCR settings, then click the More Settings button under the checkbox to open the Scanned Document Editing Settings dialog box. If these options appear grayed out and unavailable in this menu, then the document may have had OCR applied through the OCR settings when scanning a document to create a PDF, or through the Scan and OCR tools in the All Tools panel. In this case, you will want to check the associated location to change the OCR settings available there. Separately, if the PDF or PDF page contains editable text, then these options also appear unavailable. To change the language used by OCR in Acrobat, select a choice from the Recognize Text In dropdown in this dialog box. To use the closest available system font for OCR instead of a synthesized font, check the Use Available System Font checkbox. Note that checking or unchecking this checkbox can make Acrobat discard any changes and then change the visual appearance of text. To convert all pages of a currently opened document to editable text during a single OCR operation, check the Make All the Pages Editable checkbox. After selecting settings for OCR, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box to apply them. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.